Technology is ever evolving. Despite the fact that COVID has been calling shots for the last year, we have seen some incredible growth in technology. There has been a massive rise in tech innovation in the field of medicine, healthcare, AI, and blockchain, among others. Needless to say, these technologies are transforming our lives today. On that note, hey guys, welcome to this video by Simply Learn. Today, we will be discussing top technologies that promise a brighter future. But before we begin, if you love watching tech videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Edge computing is a current technology development that brings data storage and computation closer to businesses, improving reaction times and reducing bandwidth usage. It is also considered to be the most recent technological trend because enterprises are rapidly gaining access to sophisticated and specialized resources, which is sure to reduce latency. Edge computing raises security to new heights by addressing local compliance, privacy legislation, and data sovereignty concerns. Although many people feel that edge computing increases the attack surfaces, it really reduces the influence of an enterprise. Other benefits of edge computing include enhanced speed and reduced costs. Top-tier companies like Dell, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, HPE, and IBM, among others, are readily adopting edge computing. Human augmentation, a technique of enhancing a person's physical and cognitive abilities, is known as human augmentation. Once implanted in a person, it will allow them to perform activities that were previously impossible. Human augmentation, one of the most recent technological advancements in the postmodern age, would not only improve a person's physical endurance but also their ability to think and make better decisions. To put it in another way, we can argue that human augmentation has a lot of promise for the future of technology. Google, Samsung Electronics, Fossil Group, among others, are top market players. AI, artificial intelligence, or AI, has proven to be one of today's most transformative tech evolutions. However, with the current world scenario, artificial intelligence seems more promising than ever. Trends in the AI technologies such as alter ego, a mind-reading wearable, and citizen robots like Sophia are indicators of how huge AI will become in the coming years. Drones and robot delivery are already being tested by companies like Domino's and DoorDash. Despite the fact that these latest emerging technologies are still riddled with flaws that pose a threat to human safety, AI supplements are certain to become a technological trend in the future, giving their immense potential. Needless to say, companies like Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, and every other company is adopting artificial intelligence in some way or the other. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is said to be the future of computers, but the epoch is yet to arrive and the momentum is still building. BMW, Daimler, and Volkswagen have declared prioritizing research on quantum computing. Designed to resolve difficulties simply, it still comes at a cost. By superimposing an entanglement, these computers exploit quantum mechanical processes to address computational difficulties. The computer employs quantum physics to store data and execute computations that outperform supercomputers in solving specific tasks. Since the rise of the COVID-19 pandemic, quantum computers have also been used to create cures and potential vaccines. Companies like Accenture, Amazon, Hitachi, and Google, among others, have adopted quantum computing today. Computer vision. Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers and systems to extract useful information from digital photos, videos, and other visual inputs, as well as to conduct actions or make recommendations based on that data. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in recent years, surpassing humans in several tasks relating to object detection and classification. Thanks to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and innovations in deep learning and neural networks. Computer vision is employed in a variety of industries, including energy and utilities, manufacturing, and automotive, and the industry is still growing. By 2022, it is estimated to reach $48.6 billion. The most popular computer vision companies include SenseTime, Tractable, Verkada, and Hawkeye Innovations, among others. With that being said, if you wish to create something cool and help make a difference, check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning in partnership with Purdue University and in collaboration with IBM. It covers topics like machine learning, deep learning, statistics, and NLP, among others. In conclusion, with such big advancements in technology, the future looks more promising than ever. It is likely to reshape all sectors of life. There is simply no stopping it. Have you heard about the new innovations that have been recently implemented? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for being here and watch out for more videos from us. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.